Guys, welcome back to Zig, the programming guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Revanced and Manager app to patch. Right, so as you can see on my screen, this is the Revanced Manager. So all you need to do is open up your Chrome browser and search for Revanced download, and it's going to show you. So once you do that, you click on the latest version, which is here. Click on it, and it's going to start download again. So you can see, you can stop one, wait for it to download fully. So it's going actually, yeah, it's downloaded. Click on it to actually install to your phone. So it's going to take a while to actually install, and it's done. So if you open it, okay, you can see it. Click on OK, give your permission, and click on allow, click on OK, and you can see there's a Revanced Manager, and this is the patcher where you get to select all your apps. So let's use Spotify for example. Click on it, select from storage. Okay, you go back to your Chrome browser, and I'm going to show you one more thing you need to install. You need to, okay, GMSCore. Okay, so that's the browser. Look below my screen, you can see GMSCore.app. So you search for it and click on download. If your phone is not Huawei or Xiaomi devices, click on for other devices, click on download and download. Right, wait for it to download completely. It's going to take a few seconds to actually do that. So you have to wait. It's quite slow though. So let's look around the other app why this is actually downloading. So here all your apps are going to show up, right? It's going to show up gradually. As you can see, my YouTube, TikTok, Spotify I've downloaded already. So let's go back and check. So it's almost done. So once it's downloaded, all you need to do is just go back to the app, pick the app you want to use, click on it, and it's going to do its work. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.